sure there's a spot for it. There it is. Which one should I pick? I guess I could do this one. Right here. See that pedal? Alexander likes to have it separate. I like to put it together. Okay, let me go forward a little bit more. Alright, let's put the bucket down. Let's park it. So I need to park it. Well, no. Put it in neutral. There we go. Look at the park brake on. Then, this is new. Well, I think just push this to turn it off. Or get the lights off. And oh yeah, the hazard's off. I guess those two also. And what is this? Okay. There we go. And I'm gonna just, gravity will take care of the hydraulics for me. And I'll just slowly push it down. There we go.